These lightweight jerseys are built for speed, comfort, and performance.
But making them is a highly advanced industrial process.
Everything begins inside massive textile factories.
Most sports jerseys are made from polyester,
and modern machines transform it into performance fabric.
The raw polyester is melted at high temperatures. It is pushed through tiny holes to create fibers. These ultra-thin fibers are stretched for strength, then spun into durable yarn. Thousands of yarn cones are produced daily. The yarn enters computerized knitting machines. These machines create breathable sports fabric. The finished material is rolled continuously.
The fabric must be lightweight and flexible.
Next comes the coloring process.
industrial dyeing machines create vibrant colors.
Logos and graphics are digitally printed. Player numbers are heat-pressed onto the fabric.
Every detail must be perfectly aligned.
Next, the fabric is prepared for cutting.
Computer-controlled machines cut precise shapes.
Speed and accuracy are extremely important.
Each panel is sorted by size and design. Now the jersey begins to take shape.
Skilled operators assemble every section carefully.
Strong stitching improves durability. Collars and trims are added next.
The production line moves non-stop.
Each jersey is inspected for defects.
The material is tested for flexibility.
Print quality must meet strict standards.
Approved jerseys move to packaging.
Each jersey is carefully packaged.
Large factories ship worldwide every day. Orders are prepared for global delivery. Soon, the jerseys appear on players worldwide. From raw polyester to professional sportswear, this is how sports jerseys are made.